What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to do a little maintenance on my Surron. It's been 1,000 miles since I've had my Surron. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we are at a total of 1,045. So it's definitely time for some maintenance. Now obviously I've been cleaning my chain as I go along and maintaining the bike, but my brakes need to be changed. My light went out, so we're going to be replacing that. We're going to check all the bolts. We're going to clean the chain, make sure adjustment is good, tension is good. We're just going to pass through everything. All right, so let's start. We got today, I got these Shimano disc brakes. These are the H03As, not the C's. The C's are the metallics. These are the resin. First time I'm changing my brakes, and I kind of wanted to give these a chance, see what they're like. Next time I'll try the metallic, so we'll have to put those on. And then this is an extra bonus, got the GRITSHIFT light, because my stock light just went out on me the other day in the trail, so I'm gonna be replacing that. So let's start, guys. First of all, get rid of this bag for now. Alright, let's start with the brakes. This is a 3 mil. 3 mil for this. Alright, had to fish that one out, fell on me. They still have a little bit more to go, but look at these things. We're gonna replace them. So keep in mind that these are directional, as if you're riding the bike. So left will be on the left side. Back brake is done. Let's do the front one. Thank you very much. Don't need the cotter pin. There you go, second hole. Lock this up, put this cotter pin back on. All right, guys, we got the brakes done. They are rubbing a little bit, but that should go away within 10 miles or so. Next order is the GRITSHIFT light. Let's open this up. Yep, this is a 4 mil. This light is cool and all, but the GRITSHIFT light is way better. You guys seen my video for that. If not, I'll put a link in the description. You can see the difference. Man, this light died on me in the middle of the trail, which I also have a video on. That was kind of sketchy, to say the least. Alright, keep these screws on the side. Now we gotta open up this. I might have to, I hope I don't have to, take this key out. I'm hoping I don't have to open the battery cover. I really don't want to do that. Not the biggest deal, but just annoying. Alright, keep that to the side. Disconnect the battery. Take this battery out. Yeah, now we're gonna have to remove this. Alright, it is what it is. Let's take it out. Battery tray has to come out. One side. All right, man, my other GoPro died. It got so hot. It was hot today. battery tray out. Put that aside. Let's open this up. It's this light. Okay. Okay. So original light is out. New GRITSHIFT light. Run that through. And straightforward connection. Cool. Let's tie them back together. Run that through. Another washer on this side. Undent the nut. Pretty straightforward. But now, what size is that? Let me get the right size. Cool. Now we need to close everything up. Guys, make sure you don't pinch any of these cables when you shut this down. Make sure we got some slack over here. Not too tight, but not too loose either. Put the battery back in. Battery cover back on. Alright, sorry for changing the angle. Some of my, I'm realizing now that some of my shots were not really usable, guys. Sorry about that. I'll try to salvage whatever I can, but anyways, so we got the light on. It is on and working beautiful. Perfect. So next, my chain tension is perfect. You can't really see it, but my belt over here, that tension is perfect. I went over all the bolts. Everything is nice and tight. Now we just have to clean the chain and we'll be pretty much done, guys. So what I do is I use just a nasty old rag and a nylon brush. Nylon, plastic, whatever it is. I found that this is the best. So let's start by already looking better. Get all that dust off right in between the joints before we now, once I got most of that stuff off, do you see that stuff? Let's go ahead and do this. Get the rest of all the nasty stuff out. Now let's put some oil. I'm gonna go nice and slow. Oh, I can already hear that working. Nice little first pass. And I like to wipe it. Wipe the excess off. Give it a few runs. Wipe it one more time. Wipe over here. Now when I get oil over here, get that off. Cool. Chain is back to being black, guys. And that's pretty much what I like to do to my chain. I don't really go overboard. It's cool now for another few rides. And then I'll do the same thing. Then I'll check the tension again. Now let's just give her a nice little wipe down. And we should be finished. All I use to clean my Surron is just a damp microfiber, guys. It does the trick. Don't like to put too much water on her. Get everything nice. Pass on everything. I found that just water does the trick. That way I know it dries quick and I'm not doing any crazy damage or anything like that to any of the electronics and wiring. Also, if I don't plan on riding, I don't want water just stuck in there. Get that in a second. Beautiful. Got the rims cleaned up. That's all you really need, guys. Oh, that's all I really need. Perfect, guys. Beautiful. So I know some of the footage didn't come out exactly how I wanted, but after 1,000 miles of owning the Surron, the only thing I really needed to change was my brakes. So we upgraded our brakes to the Shimano's H03As, the resin type. Next time we'll try the metallic, the H03Cs. We went over all the nuts and bolts. I went over everything and made sure everything is nice and tight. We checked the adjustment on the chain and cleaned it and lubed it. We checked the adjustment on our main belt drive, which in my case was fine, so I didn't have to do anything. We changed the light to the GRITSHIFT light, and then we gave her a nice little wipe down. Wasn't looking to make her crazy shiny, but she's cleaner than she was before and ready to go on another adventure. So I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you very much. All of your subscriptions and feedback, that really means a lot. Thank you guys very much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.